PTC Mathcad Prime 11 includes the new symbolic decomp keyword. The new decomp symbolic keyword can be used to decompose large symbolic result expressions by replacing repeating parts and numeric coefficients with placeholder identifiers in the result. In this example, we have a very large symbolic result that spans multiple pages, making it difficult to understand and use in the worksheet. By using the decomp keyword, we can see the result in analytical form, with all long numerical coefficients replaced by generated variables, which improves the visibility of the result. This example goes one step further. The result of this symbolic calculation is too large to display. Some symbolic calculation results may contain too many component parts to display in the Mathcad view. Using the decomp keyword, we can not only view the result, but view it in a way that may make understanding its structure easier. In this example, the result is in a programming form, impossible to use without viewing it. We can now apply the appropriate assumptions or perform other operations on it so it can participate in worksheet calculations. Alongside the new decomp keyword, PTC Mathcad Prime 11 supports various new modifiers, including coeff, power, parts, and max. These new modifiers can be used in various combinations with the decomp keyword, either individually or together.